Dear friends, in class 11 we are solving the problems from coding section. We are trying to understand circle. Now we have the third question. Find the equation of circle passing through origin, that is 0 0, and making an intercepts A and B on coordinate axis. So what does this mean? This means we have to find the equation of circle which passes through origin 0 0, then which makes an intercept with x-axis at a0, which passes through 0 0 and making an intercept a and b on coordinate axis. So it cuts this axis 0 b, and it is, so circle is something like this. We have to find the equation of this circle which passes through 0 0, a0 and 0b. Now we know equation of circle passing through the center HK. If this is center HK, equation of circle passing through the center HK and radius R is given by. So equation of circle passing through, equation of circle having center HK and radius R is written as x minus h bracket square plus y minus k bracket square is equal to r square. Now please note, radius is equal to, from the center to the origin we can easily find the radius. Radius is equal to under root x2 minus x1 bracket square plus h2 plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. So this is equal to under root h minus 0 bracket square plus k minus 0 bracket square, that is equal to under root h square plus k square. So this equation of circle becomes x minus h bracket square plus y minus k bracket square is equal to, please note, it is the square of radius, this is r, so square of this will be h square plus k square. Now if you expand this equation, we will get, thus equation becomes, now please note, circle passes through the points, circle makes the intercepts a and b on coordinate axis. That is, if it makes a intercept on x-axis, then it must pass through a0. So as circle makes intercept with x-axis, intercept with x-axis, as a circle makes intercept with x-axis, it passes through a0, means this point must satisfy, therefore point must satisfy equation of circle. So we will get this as, equation of circle will become a minus h bracket square plus 0 minus k bracket square is equal to h square plus k square. So if you expand this, you will get a square minus 2ah plus h square plus k square is equal to s square plus k square. So h square and k square, we will get a square minus 2ah is equal to 0. So if you take a common, you will have a minus 2h is equal to 0. It means a is equal to 0, a is equal to 0, or a minus 2h is equal to 0. Therefore a is equal to, therefore h is equal to, h is equal to a upon. Now next, circle passes through, circle makes intercept B on y-axis. So circle makes B intercept on y-axis. It means, therefore, it passes through 0b. Now, if it passes through 0b, it must satisfy. Therefore, 0b must satisfy equation of circle. Therefore, this becomes, equation of circle becomes 0 minus h bracket square plus b minus k bracket square is equal to h square plus k square. So if you expand this, you will get h square plus b square minus 2bk plus k square is equal to h square plus k square. Now please note, this h square and k square cancels. We have b square minus 2bk is equal to 0. It means b square 2bk, okay, we take b common, we will have b minus 2b, b minus 2k, b minus 2k is equal to 0. So either b is equal to 0, or we have b minus 2k is equal to 0. It therefore will get b is equal to 2k, means k is equal to b upon 2. Therefore, putting the values of h and k in the equation of the circle. If you put the values of h and k in the equation of circle, we get x minus h is a upon 2 bracket square plus y minus b upon 2 bracket square is equal to a upon 2 square plus b upon 2 bracket square. Please note, I have put the values of h as a upon 2 and k as b upon 2. Let us solve this. So we will get x square minus 2 times first and second will get cancelled. We will have minus ax plus a square upon 4 plus this will be y square minus by plus b square upon 4 is equal to a square upon 4 plus b square upon 4. Please note, this a square upon 4 eliminates this a square upon 4. B square upon 4 eliminates b square upon 4. So I am left with x square minus ax plus y square minus by is equal to 0. So if you arrange in descending order of the powers, we will get x square minus y square, plus y square minus ax minus by is equal to 0. This is the required equation of circle if it has a center hk and it passes through 3 points, that is origin 0 0. A0 means having x intercept as a and 0b means having y intercept as b. So equation of circle is x square plus y square minus ax minus by is equal to 0. Dear friends, we have next question. Find the equation of circle with center 2 2. So we have to find the equation of circle whose center is 2 2 and passing through the point 4 5. So 4 5 will be a point somewhere. So it is having a center and it passes through this 4 5 point. Try to understand. We have to find the equation of this circle whose center is 2 2 and it passes through the point 4 5. So let us try to find the equation of circle having the center 2, 2 and 4, 5. Now we have equation of circle with center HK and radius R, and radius R is x minus h bracket square plus y minus k bracket square is equal to R square. So here we are given center is equal to HK is given to us. HK is equal to 2, 2. Now please note, if HK is the center, that is 2, 2 is the center, and 4, 5 is a point on the circle, then radius can be found by using the distance formula. So we have radius is equal to by distance formula we have radius is equal to under root x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. So this becomes 4 minus 2 bracket square plus 5 minus 2 bracket square. So this will be under root 2 square plus 3 square, that is equal to 4 plus 9, that is equal to under root 30. It means equation of circle with center 2, 2 and radius root 13 is equal to, therefore equation of circle becomes x minus 2 bracket square plus y minus 2 bracket square is equal to root of 13 bracket square. Now if you expand this, you will get x square minus 4x plus 4 plus y square minus 4y plus 4 is equal to 13. So if you arrange in descending orders of the powers, you will get x square plus y square minus 4x minus 4y plus 8 minus 13 is equal to 0. So this becomes x square plus y square minus 4x minus 4y minus 5 is equal to 0. So this is the required equation of.
Dear friends, we are studying in class 11th lesson conic section, and exercise 11.1 we have the 12th question. Does the point minus 2,5, that is negative 2.5 and 3.5 lie inside or outside or on the circle x square plus y square equal to 25? Now let's try to understand what does this mean. This is the equation of circle. Since it is x square plus y square, we know equation of circle with center HK is x minus h. If equation of circle is having a center HK, then we know it is x minus h bracket square plus y minus k bracket square is equal to r square. So if you compare this equation with this, we get h is equal to 0 and k is equal to 0 and r is equal to, please note this is 25 is 5 square. It means center of the circle is 0, 0 and radius is 5 So it does mean that circle is having a center 0, 0, that is at the origin, and radius of the circle is 5. So it means it will cut x-axis at 5, 0, this y-axis at 0, 5. It will cut negative x-axis at 0, minus 5, and y-axis at, this is minus 5, 0 and y-axis at 0, minus 5. X coordinate is negative 5 here, x coordinate is 5, y coordinate is 5, and again in this quadrant it is negative 5. Now we are asked to find negative 2.5, that is a point in the third quadrant, and 3.5, y coordinate is 3.5 and x coordinate is negative, so it will lie in the second quadrant here somewhere. So 2.5 and 3.5 lies, whether it lies in inside or outside or on the circle, we have to search that. Now if we know that if this distance is from origin, if the distance of this point from origin is less than 5, that is less than radius, then it will lie inside the circle. if it is equal to radius, then it will lie on the circle, and if it is more than radius of the circle, then it will lie out of the circle. Now here from this we understand that given equation of circle is given equation of circle is x square plus y square equal to 25. It does mean that therefore center of circle is hk, that is equal to 0 0, that is the origin, and radius of circle is 5 square. 25, that is equal to 5 square. It means the radius of circle is 5, that is the square root of 25. So let us find the distance of the point. In order to find this point, whether it lies inside or outside, we will find the distance of this point from the origin. So we will get, let P 2.5, negative 2.5, 3.5 be a point. Therefore distance between PO, that is the distance between origin and the point P, is written as under root x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. So this is equal to, I will get x2 minus 2.5 minus 0 bracket square plus 3.5 minus 0 bracket square. So this is equal to 2.5 bracket square is 6.25. Please note, positive sign exists because of squaring the negative sign. Negative into negative is positive, so this will be 6.25 plus 3.5 bracket square will be 3 4s are 12.25. Now if you add this is equal to 12 plus 16 is 18, 25 plus 25 is 50, so it is square root of 18.50. Now you might be knowing that 4 is equal to square root of 16 and 5 is equal to square root of 25. It does mean that square root of 18.50 is less than square root of 25. So this is root of 18.25 is less than square root of 25. That is, this is definitely less than 5. No need to find the square root of 18.25. Don't waste time in finding. We just have to find that whether it lies inside or outside. Here we know the radius of the circle is 5 and square root of 18.25 is definitely less than 5. It does mean that this negative 2.5 and 3.5, thus point P 2.5, 3.5 lies inside the circle or lies in the interior of circle.